It's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now, what on earth is going on with the market? We're getting so much sell-off. Is this normal? Is this healthy? What should you do? So I hope you guys all enjoy this. If you guys do, smash that like button, subscribe. And guys, if you want to elevate your trading and investing game, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. Private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat. But more importantly, we teach you how to find undervalued stocks. We teach you strategies, approach, entry points, exit points, all this stuff you guys need to become a full-time successful trader. So check it out down below, and you guys can get 51% off by using code SPRING25. So click that link, sign up, and I'll see you guys in there, and let's jump into this here. So what on earth is going on with the market? Well, looking at just the S&P, we can see just this huge sell-off, right? In the matter of about a month span, we've seen a sell-off from peak top to peak bottom of 16%. So we are only 4% away from a recession. Now, is a recession bad? Is it normal? Is it healthy? Well, a recession is something you don't want, but it's normal. What I mean by that is a stock market recession happens every 4 to 6 years on average. Now, the last time we had one was back in 2022, where we saw the market go right from here near and around 418 all the way down to lows at 308. So it sold off about 26%. But the thing about this one is this was over a period of 1, 2, 3, 4 months. Not if we look at this is like a month and a half. So huge sell-off, short amount of time. And this is why people are scared and freaking out and going, oh my God, the stock market is done. I'm never going to be able to retire. And yeah, this dip down as we zoom in looks very, very bad, right? I've seen my portfolio get absolutely crushed, but I also know as we start zooming out, that little dip down becomes smaller, smaller, smaller. So now as we look at this, that little dip down is kind of normal, right? Because the stock market only doesn't just go up, it also goes down. Also, another thing I want to show you guys is this. When the S&P 500, which is the stock market index we're looking at, sells off 25% or more since 1950. So yes, during this time, we're entering a possible recession, right? The world is freaking out. Media saying we'll never recover. But then look what happens that following year, an average return of 21%. So if you buy in during these times, this could be a massive opportunity for you to have great returns. So what's my strategy? Well, the first thing is to not be fearful. Fear, in my opinion, is one of the worst things you can have. And as we look at the fear and greed index right now, the fear in the market is so high because people just don't know what's going on and they don't realize that stuff like this happens. So what's my approach? Well, it's very simple. I'm continuing to buy VOO, which is the Vanguard S&P. I'm also buying companies like Visa, QQQ, which is the NASDAQ ETF, Meta, Google, Amazon. Now, as far as trading goes, I'm definitely taking a day or two off, and I'm just taking a step back and I'm watching. I'm watching and seeing and looking for opportunity. And what we saw and what we have tendencies of seeing is blue chip stocks not sell off as much during recession. So, yes, we're seeing a lot of sell off here as we look at like the S&P chart. Just everything's getting crushed. But as we go and we look at like the groups tab, some sectors perform better than others. So energy got crushed, but customer defense is only down about 1.1%. And in the past week, the whole market got sell off, and this is actually up. So this is what you got to do is just focus on blue chip and focus on sectors that are performing well. So I honestly think that people make a bigger deal out of recessions than they need to be, and to answer those questions about tariffs, are tariffs good? Are tariffs bad? Well, here's the fact. No matter what, we are in territory, no matter what, whether you love it, whether you don't like it. And the only way to get through it is to go through it, right? I think the best medicine when looking at your portfolio is to go on a walk, right? Go on a walk, don't even look at it. Take a day or two off, which that's kind of what I'm doing for my trading. But we've done this before. I traded through the 2020 crash, the 2022 crash. And honestly, this looks so bad because of how much sell off we've seen in such a short amount of time. But you just can't be fearful, and you got to know the long term outlook of your trades and your investments. A good strategy is $2 cost average. So just invest consistently to get a good average price for your shares. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about trading and investing, check out our school. I'll see you guys in there. Like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and take care.